Now, Joseph, it looks like it's snowing at the mountain right now.
Sure is. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's coming down. They've had plenty of snowfall over the last 24 hours. It started last night. It's continuing now. The mountain was so parched, and it finally got some snowfall to help bring in some fresh snow for skiers and snowboarders. 22 degrees right now. Temperatures were in the mid to upper 30s. Last week at times, the mountain was at 50 degrees, so 22 kind of feels more like where it should be, and that's the case as we head into today. We've had that cold air move on through because that cold front yesterday. All right, ski report. You can see the fresh snow over the last 24 hours, anywhere from maybe 5, 6, up to about 8 inches. We're building the base again, over 100 inches coming out of Timberline Lodge there. A little bit less coming out of the Mount Hood Meadows base, but up on the higher sections of the mountain, it's definitely doing okay. Here's the weather alerts. We still have a winter weather advisory. That's in place till 4 p.m. today. We're going to keep it like that probably up to the afternoon, evening hours. I don't believe it's going to be extended, but we'll still have some snowfall coming down even beyond 4 p.m. So it's not just going to completely stop and end once we get to the 4 p.m. hour. Let me step out so you can see the snow water equivalent. We're doing pretty good. This is a recent update. So yeah, about a month ago we had a blue sign for just about all the basins there, but this snowfall from last night into today is really helping out for that section of the state for Central Oregon there, and even to the east side of the state as well. Satellite and radar, that strong northwest flow, that's going to keep the rain coming. Most of it is going to get squeezed out over the Coast Range and into the Cascades, so not expecting a lot of heavy rain around the Willamette Valley, but just have the rain jacket ready, maybe tie it around your waist if you're going out for a walk or something like that, because we may see a shower pass on by. 49 degrees coming out of Lincoln City. The waves are crashing in, not a bad scene. In McMinnville, we had some blue sky there with a mix of clouds, 47 degrees. So you'll get some sunshine, some break here or there, and then a passing shower throughout the day. FUTURECAST will help show it. So even though we don't have a front moving on through, which is one way to initiate and trigger some showers, we do have that strong onshore flow coming off the Pacific Ocean, keeps things cool, and it provides us with plenty of moisture. We have those rain showers there for the Oregon coast as we go through the remainder of today and heading into tomorrow. So tomorrow, be prepared for maybe a stray shower through the morning and into the afternoon. Wednesday's trying to produce a little bit of rain in the beginning of the day. I think Wednesday is going to be more dry than wet, but weather models are kind of fighting. And over the last couple of days, it's trying to produce maybe a little bit of rain, even heading into Thursday and then again on Friday. So I've been paying attention to this since about Saturday. We do have a ridge arriving, which should dry us up, but we may see a couple showers even beyond Tuesday at this point. All right, rain chances. Here we go. Next 10 days. You can see Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, a couple isolated showers, but then we kind of hit this dry spell. And it's not going to be completely dry. I think each day may have a slight chance to pick up a little bit of rain, but overall, we're probably going to be on the drier side. However, as we look at the extended forecast through the month of February, there's a shot that we're actually going to be wetter than normal and probably a little bit colder than normal. So we'll pair those together, and that might be a good sign for the mountains as well, meaning we'll have some snowfall up on the mountains. All right, 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the 40s for the next couple of days. We'll probably reach the 50s, though, as we head into the weekend. But notice we have some rain both Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, some sunshine there, hopefully, in between maybe those clouds. Thursday and Friday, those temperatures in the 40s, overnight temperatures there in the 30s. But I think our first weekend of February is probably going to be pretty dry there, Jenny.
Okay. I mean, the dry days are nice, but I like it when it rains because then I feel like I don't need to be outside doing something.
You can stay huddled inside and eat.
Lots of shows are dropping on Netflix.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Love
Thanks,
it.
Joseph.
Sure.
We'll be right back with more news. Stick around.